How to download Pinterest video on Gallery. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys if it is possible to download Pinterest video on your gallery. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. First thing first, open up your Pinterest and then make sure that you're logged into your account. So if you wanted to save any photo to your gallery from Pinterest, what you typically do is tap on the photo and then tap on the three lines right here. Now from here you can just download the image, or if you want you could just save it to your profile by tapping on save. And if you tap on this download image, it will be downloaded right to your gallery. But it's not the same case for the video, because if you tap on the video like this and then tap on the three lines, as you can see, you don't have an option to download it directly to your gallery. So if you are trying to prompt to third-party websites or any apps, then I suggest you do not do so, because those kind of websites might be harmful for your device and may contain malicious files. So it is best that you do not do that. If you want, you could try to screen record this and crop this out, but that's the only thing that you could do as of now. But if Pinterest brings out the feature where you can download videos directly to your gallery, we'll be the first one to let you know, so be sure to subscribe to the channel. And that's it for this video. I'll catch you guys on the next one.